Hey boLovie, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm reviewing the Garnier vitamin C even and matte range. Okay, so this range, I think this range is fairly new if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really a Garnier customer, but I just saw vitamin C because these days a lot of people are really hyping up vitamin C, so I was like, okay, let me try this out. Because as you guys can see, I do have some acne scars on my face and a bit of some hyperpigmentation on my face, so I really wanted to clear that up. So yeah, I've used the products and I'm here to tell you guys my experience. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be reviewing right now is the Garnier vitamin C cleansing foam. Not sure if you can see. So this is a face wash. It says it is a gentle cleansing foam. At the back it says gentle, guys. Gentle cleansing foam. So I have very sensitive skin, guys. If you didn't know, I do have sensitive skin. So I saw gentle, and I've been reading I've been researching, and I saw a bit of some information online, and this, I think she's a doctor. She was a doctor or a dermatologist, and she was like, no, if you've got sensitive skin, you're not supposed to be using any like foam, not foam, but soapy cleansers. Try creamy ones. So this one is creamy. As you guys can see, this is creamy, and this is the consistency of the cleanser. And guys, with this cleanser, a little goes a long way. It lathers a lot. It will lather on you. You don't even have to put a lot. And I haven't even added some water, but if you add some water, you will see it's going to lather on your face really, really well. So this cleansing foam, guys, I will start with the good parts. I will start with the pros, and then we'll go ahead and talk about the cons. So the pro of this cleanser, guys, this cleanser is amazing. When I say this cleanser is amazing, this cleanser is amazing. This cleanser will cleanse your face, and it's going to fade away your dark marks. I mean, when I say dark marks are fading, they're fading in 3 days. You'll see results in 3. I'm not lying. If you think I'm lying, you can go ahead and check for yourself. You can go ahead and test it and see for yourself. Guys, this took 3 days. 3 days. 3 days for my scars to fade away. I really had a very big scar over here and over there, and they're very darker than this one here. This one is recent anyways, but this thing, it cleansed my spots and my dark marks in 3 days. I saw results. I'm not saying go to everything vanish in 3 days, no, but you will definitely see results in 3 days. Do I like it? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love this cleanser. Because it does the job, guys. That's the only reason why I love this cleanser. That's the only pro that I have. This cleanser is, it is a very powerful cleanser. The disadvantages though, guys, of this cleanser, this product is very powerful for sensitive skin. If you've got sensitive skin, guys, run away from this cleanser. I think it only works for people with normal skin, not sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, yeah, it's not going to work on you. Yes, it might work, but it's going to. So when I'm saying pro and con, I mean, I do see a disadvantage. I do see an advantage. An advantage is it's going to fade away your dark marks. But if you keep using it, it's going to create irritation on your skin if you've got sensitive skin. So it's going to create irritation. And what does irritation do? Irritation causes pimples. What do pimples cause? Dark marks. So it's a cycle. You keep using it, it's going to remove the marks, it's going to add some pimples, produce some marks. So you don't want this one. It's too powerful for sensitive skin. It says gentle cleansing foam, so I guess it's gentle for normal skin, but not for sensitive skin. I don't know if I'm making any sense, guys. This is not for sensitive skin, definitely not for sensitive skin. Yeah, it doesn't work on my face like that. It does though do the job, but it's a bit too powerful for my skin, too powerful. And guys, when I use this product, the moment I apply this product on my face, you can feel not even a tingling sensation, a burning sensation. Your skin will start to burn. Like, guys, I'm not joking, like, this is too powerful for sensitive skin, but I would recommend this for normal skin. If you've got normal skin, I think this will work for you or on your skin. But if you've got sensitive skin, don't do it. Don't even bother yourself buying this. I still use this thing, but I only use it to cleanse one dot. Like here, I just do this just for a second, and then I remove it, because all over your face, it's not going to work on your face. The other disadvantage with this one, yeah, it does cause a lot of, like I said, a lot of burning. Like, it's painful, stinging. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It will sting your face, it will burn your face. So yeah, it's not so gentle on sensitive skin. I'm not speaking for normal skin, I'm not speaking for combination, I'm speaking for sensitive skin. This is not for you, okay? It's like a cycle. It's going to remove dark spots, it's going to add on dark spots. So if you really want to try it out, if you've got sensitive skin, maybe use it twice a week. Don't use it every day, because this thing is very powerful, very, very powerful. So yeah. So the next product that I'm reviewing is the vitamin C booster serum. So this is a booster serum with salicylic. Okay, it's got salicylic hey. So this is the packaging. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Okay. So this is the serum. So with this serum, I've used the serum, but I have stopped using the serum. Ask me why. I'm not using the serum, guys. I have stopped using the serum, guys, because the serum is also too powerful. When I say powerful, when I use it, but this one doesn't sting or give me any sensation at all, but it does irritate my skin. Like, I can use it overnight, and when I wake up in the morning, I've got pimples and rash. So I discontinued the use for this one. I no longer use this one, yeah, at all, because same thing, my skin is too sensitive for this product. Yeah, but the ingredients, these are the ingredients. I'm not even going to try to pronounce. I never. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so same story, too powerful for sensitive skin. So the third product that I'm going to review is the vitamin C dark spot corrector. This one, yeah, this one is, let me talk about the cons. Okay, the disadvantages first, and then I'll talk about the advantages later. The disadvantage of this product is the same as these other ones here. So this one is too powerful for my skin. Guys, my skin is too sensitive. Don't even say, vitamin C, Garnier, because my skin is very sensitive. I think for you, it might work, because I saw results in 3 days, but it's a bit too powerful for my skin. I'll continue to say that. Don't say, hey. No. So anyways, this one is the dark spot corrector. So what I do is it says apply twice daily to face and neck after cleansing. Smooth a pear-sized amount until evenly until absorbed, ensuring all dark spots and uneven tone areas are fully covered. Avoid eye area. Okay, so they say smooth out this product, pea-size. And when they say pea-size, guys, it's pea-size for everything. This product, they do leather. I'm telling you, I swear, a little goes a long way. So they say you smooth it out on your skin evenly and cover everything. but for me it doesn't work. It's going to irritate my skin. So what I do is I literally spot here. So what I do is when I'm sleeping, I do have a dark mark over here. I hope the camera is catching on, but yeah, I do have this area here. I do apply. This area, guys, was black, very, very dark, but now it's becoming light. But what I do is I just apply on the affected areas, and I also do apply on my few spots, but I don't do it all over my face because, like I said, this range is too powerful. Okay, so the next, last but not least, yeah, is this one. You know where the danger is? Yeah, you know where the danger is. Okay, danger. No, I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Don't say no, I'm joking. I know where the danger is. You know where the danger is. You know where the danger is. So this one is the vitamin C cream. It says it is it says apply morning and evening after cleansing with Garnier even and matte cleansing foam, which is this one. Do not apply it to your delicate eye area or irritated skin. So because they know, they say don't apply on irritated skin because they know that their products are very powerful. But I feel like they hide under green, bio, whatever. But anyways, I think these products are very acidic, guys. If you read the ingredients, that's where you see. We say okay, salicylic acid. Hey, what are acid? But anyways, it says it visibly evens skin tone and reduces dark marks, and I was like, okay, I love this range, let's go. And then, okay, guys, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you this day cream. We could eat day cream, really. It says 8 hours of less shine, so it will prevent that oily skin appearance. Okay, so this is the amount that I'm going to be showing you guys on my face. I don't know if you guys can see the consistency. It looks like a mass. Yeah, you see, it's like it's lumpy or it's got texture. I'm not sure, but let's go, guys. Oh, that's a bit too much. Okay, that's a bit much. Like I said, with this range, a little goes a long way. So this is your day cream from Garnier. Oh, my eyes. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so guys, I don't know if it's my skin. Guys, I think let's blame this one on my hormones. Let's blame it on my hormones because you can't blame a brand. I can't blame the brand because honestly, it says, okay, tested by dermatologists. Okay, dermatologically tested. So you can't blame it on the brand. Blame it on my skin. Guys, this is not calamine lotion, by the way. This is a day cream. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, now let's keep trying. Don't give up. Oh, let's not give up, guys. I can't, guys. Guys. Yeah, so guys, this is the day cream. Okay, this is the day cream. It's going to block all the oiliness, you know, from appearing on the surface of your skin. So if you are a very oily girl and your skin is very oily, make sure you get this product. Guys, I don't know, I don't like bashing like my brands. I don't like bashing. I don't like any like negativity. I don't like bashing businesses. I don't, but no. And I can even feel my skin is now tingling and it's burning. It's starting to burn and ish. You see, I'm doing this for you guys. Definitely tomorrow you'll see pimples on my face. I'll see if I'm going to show you tomorrow how my skin will look, but definitely tomorrow when I'm waking up, we'll see pimples on my face unless I go and wash this off now. But yeah, guys, this is not really for, maybe for my hormones or my skin type or something, or maybe my melanin is too much. I don't know, guys. This is not it. You know where the danger is? Great danger. This is the danger. This one is not. It's not doing the do's. It's not doing the do's. No. So I am back. I've managed to wash it off. It's very hard to wash off, honestly, guys. Guys, I don't even know what that was. That wasn't a daily cream. That is not a daily cream. That is actually like a calamine lotion. So that one I do not recommend. Whether you've got oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, that product, I don't even know how they tested that product. That product it's not doing the doings. But I do have a tip for you guys. Tip of the day: if your skin is irritated or you're facing a rash, pimples, this is a tip for you guys. This product, don't even mix it with anything. This perfect. This is the best product, I won't lie, because right now I'm actually feeling some, I've washed it off, but I'm still feeling that burning sensation that is still stinging. Yeah, still stinging. So okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.